Hello friends. Today, we will learn how to create auto captions in the CapCut video editing program easily. So let's go. First, open the CapCut program. Then attach your desired video clip to its timeline. Remember, your PC must be connected to the internet for this work. Now select the audio track of your video clip from the timeline. You'll see several menus at the top. Select the text menu from there. On the left, you'll find the auto-caption command among a few sub-options. Click on the auto-caption option. Now click on the Generate button. It will take some time. After some time, you'll see your audio auto captions ready. You can customize it as you wish, as like text border, font size, also text positions, text background, and its color. Text background width, etc. Hope this works for you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.